channel. If you're new to this channel, again, welcome. To this video, we will be making a potato soup. Yes, no. Potato soup. I don't know why I say soup. I think I want some soup, but no, this is for a soup. So stay tuned, okay? So guys, I am wearing gloves. This is all my ingredient. I'm wearing gloves. You do not have to wear gloves. I decided to wear it. So if you want to, you can. If you don't, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you wash your hands and you wash your potatoes and your lemon. You know, it's very important. So make sure you do that. Potato is very good for your skin. Very good for your skin. It helps with brightening your skin. It helps get rid of dark spots. It also lessen the appearance of dark circles. You know, so if you have dark spots, this is a great remedy to do. It has helped me, so I'm here to share with y'all. And lemon, yes, lemon is also wonderful for your skin. You know, it brighten up your skin. It helps also reduce dark spots. So I'm going to put the lemon juice in the potato juice. So, yep, I have a goat milk soap. This soap is very good. You need a base soap, and there are a lot of them out there, but I like to use goat milk soap because it contains coconut milk, it contains palm oil, it contains glycerin, aqua, and goat milk. This is how it comes. You know, it's a lot, so I just use like one slice. You know, you don't need a lot, you just need one slice. And I'm not gonna make a lot of soup. I'm just gonna make maybe 2 bars, and that's it. We need a grater. You need this. You know, you can also use a blender if you have one. You know, I have one, but I just don't wanna get it dirty, and you know, just for this, so I decided to just use a grater. So you're gonna have to So next I'm going to drain it. You know, I'm gonna need this. I need the juice, so I'm gonna drain it. So I just need the juice. We just need the juice, so I'm going to drain it. See, now the juice is coming out. Oops. Just need the juice. Next, you're gonna need a lemon. This was 1 lemon. I just sliced in 2, and you need the juice. So I'm just going to press. I love this thing, guys. This is like a juice presser. It's so nice. It's so easy. I believe I got it at Walmart. It was very cheap, so hopefully you guys can find it there. See? Like, it gave me all the juice that I need. We have potato juice and we have lemon juice. So next step, we'll stir it, you know, very good. So the lemon juice and the potato juice is mixed. To melt the soap. I want a liquid soap. Alright, so make sure your water is boiled. Then you're gonna add this, and you're just gonna let it, you know, cook, just like that. Still turning. This looks like milk. C'est comme du lait, mais ce n'est pas le lait. It looks like milk, but it's not milk. This is soap. Oh my gosh, I feel like drinking it. This is my goat milk soap that I just melted. Then we are going to add the potato juice and the lemon juice. You're just gonna add it in there. This look like vanilla mocha, you know, like Starbucks. This looks so yummy. But it's just soap. Oh my gosh, I love this. Then you're gonna need a silicone. You need this. This is a silicone. So I'm gonna pour my stuff in here. Just gonna pour it just like that. Just like that. I think I can make 3. What do you guys think? Let's see. Yay! I made it! I made 3! This can last me like 3 months. This is a 3-month supply, guys. Ta-da! So I am done. We are finished. So I'm going to add some oil in it. This is a great oil. I'm sure you guys have seen it on my video. This oil, it's called jojoba oil. You can get it from Amazon or any store that have it. So what you're going to do is just gonna, I have a teaspoon. So I'm just going to pour just a little bit on each side, just like that. I'm just gonna pour it in there. That way, the soap can leave my skin soft. So the soap can leave my skin very soft to the point that I don't even need to add any moisturizer on my face. This soap is very good for your skin. It gets rid of dark spots. It helps with your acne. You can also use it to wash your whole body with it. That's what I do. So again, when you do this soap, you won't even need a moisturizer because it leaves your skin so soft.